for this one here, the first thing I can see is that if you got x to the power 4 minus x to the power minus y to the power 4, you're going to have difference of squares. So it's going to be x squared minus y squared multiplied by x squared plus y squared. And then that is going to become x minus y multiplied by x plus y. So there's a further possible factorization, difference of squares. But you can't factorize x squared plus y squared, so we just leave that as is. Looking at this trig equation now, we're going to take exactly that, and I got sine squared x minus cos squared x times sine squared x plus cos squared x coming from the left hand side. Alright, so that's your left hand side. Then I factorize this even further if I need to, but we know that this is, by the way, this is equal to 1. Sine squared plus cos squared. So we can replace the second bracket with 1. And the first bracket, I can change it. I can factorize it further, but I don't want to factorize it further, because if I factorize it further, I'm going to lose the squared. So I don't want to get to that step. I want to keep it, but I'm going to change the cos squared into sine squared. And I'm going to use the fact that if you've got sine squared plus cos squared, then cos squared is going to be 1 minus sine squared. And then you end up with 2 after that here. So it's going to end up with 1 minus sine squared. I replace cos squared with that. This is going to become sine squared x. Keep it in a bracket because that minus is going to change into a plus. So we end up with 1 minus sine squared, which will become plus sine squared. And then sine squared plus sine squared is going to become
2 sine squared.
2 sine squared, and I can this step, let's just put the 1 in there, and then sine squared there. That becomes 2 sine squared x minus 1, which is equal to the right hand side.
So all I needed to do is just realize this.
That's it.
Yeah.